Hello everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. Nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You are, of course, responsible for your own decisions. If you can see me and hear me clearly, please type yes in the chat box. It will be much appreciated. Is the sound good? So we can start? Do you guys hear me? So let's start today live stream. Just give me a second. Yeah. Hello Magdalena, how are you doing? Thanks for answering my question. So we had the rough morning today. So I think we had, let me check, 3 stop losses this morning, but yeah, we are still looking good, I believe, and we have plenty of profitable open positions. So let's start today live stream. For everyone new, please make sure to subscribe and like the live stream. And let me explain these pairs that you see here labeled in green are the ones we are in a buy, and these ones labeled in red, that's mean we are in a sell position. So we had a fourth stop loss for the CAD CHF. Finally this trade hit the stop loss. It was a long trade, and it is what it is. So the CAD CHF, let me update that quickly in the group. Merry Christmas. An early Merry Christmas for you, Magdalena. So let's get to our trades. We are already in a buy on AUD-CAD. This one we are approaching our break-even point on the AUD NZD. For the EURUSD, we touched the TP1 and moved the stop loss to the break-even. For the CAD CHF, we already touched the stop loss, I think. We already touched the stop loss. So this trade is gone. And this one, I entered this trade this morning and also shared it on the free Telegram. It's the first link in the description, by the way. I shared this trade. I hope it plays out. Hello Guri, how are you? Good morning. So this one from last week, we are still in this trade in profits. So this one too. The GBP CAD also looking good. Thank you. So for the GBPJPY, entered this trade also this morning. We are in a small profit. For NZD CAD, the trade still looks great, to be honest, and we will continue. Maybe this is a healthy pullback. We already touched TP1 and TP2. We will stay in this trade, as long either I believe this trade can continue going to the downwards. So the NZDJPY, we are still at above the TP2 level, so that's looking good. Yesterday TP hit with your trade. I was in live for a short time yesterday. Yeah, are you talking about the gold trade that I took on the live stream? So let me check if there are some opportunities this morning. I think I will rebuy the AUD NZD because yeah, I will just wait for this for a bullish candle and rebuy the AUD NZD. Not now, we'll wait more. So for congratulations on taking that trade. CFDJPY we are already in. EURUCAD we are already in. Let me see Euro AUD. We touched the stop loss I think yesterday on this trade. I was in the buy position right here and price went straight to our stop loss. It happens a lot in trading, so you need to expect that not all your trades will go your way. And for everyone watching, please let me know if you have questions. So for the EURUJPY, it looks like a good entry, a good pullback here, but we are already in the CAD-JPY and GBPJPY, so we'll not add more JPY trades. Euro NZD, this one already touched the stop loss. We entered yesterday here. It touched the stop loss this morning, no problem. If you can see here, the open PNL, we are still in good profits. I'm just sharing with you everything 100% transparent. So for the GBP CAD, still looking good. GBP AUD, we touched the TP1, then price reversed, and I think the price will continue going down on the GBP AUD. Maybe we will take a trade on the live stream, because we have an engulfing candle right here. Let me zoom in. I believe if we switch to the, let me delete that, to the 4 hour, I believe we have a good engulfing candle. Let me check where the stop loss will be. Will not enter this trade because the stop loss is too close to the price action. You always need to leave some room for the price to play out. For this one already in, this one not interested. I will not trade the CHF pairs until the new year. GBP NZD, no signs that the price is doing a healthy pullback like this engulfing candle right here, if you can see it, this one. So this candle that we have here means nothing. That's why if we had an engulfing candle, or we get an engulfing candle in the future, I will think about entering a buy position on the GBP NZD. So GBPUSD is way far from going in. Like everyone, I always go in on retests so we can have the best entry possible, and this is absolutely not a retest, so we stay out from this trade. So if you can see here, if we check all my trades, I enter on retest. You see here also, you can see here also, I thought the price will retest this level and go up, but we went and draw down for a bit, then we touched the TP1. So this one in a retest zone, This one absolutely amazing entry on the EURUCAD, and also this one on a retest. This one, yeah, we entered right here on absolute retest and zero drawdown. This one on a retest. This one on a retest for a downtrend, and this one on a retest. So you know my strategy, and you know the criterias that I use to enter a trade. I'm always entering on a retest, no breakouts, no nothing. So USD CAD, yeah, we had a good downtrend, to be honest, but yeah, we didn't catch that. And of course you will not catch every single trades. So for the USDJPY, let me see, we are in a key level. I believe there is this one and there is this one too, but we are already on other GPY trades, and we have some news in approximately 1 hour, so we stay out. And let's get to my love, the gold. I love trading gold. I think we will have an entry soon. So gold is still trending, is doing, I believe, exactly like yesterday. If you can see here, price ranged a bit yesterday at the same time frame, if you can see, and is doing the same thing this morning. And I believe we will have an entry soon on gold, so we can continue going up. And of course, disclaimer like always, this is not a financial advice, and do not copy trade me. I'm just showing you how I approach the markets. So maybe we will find an entry now on gold and we will lose. So we have, I'm going to read your question, Guri. Just give me a second. There is this key level right here, and there is this one. If we place an entry right here, the stop loss will be like this. So let me explain to you my scenario. Either the price comes back to this level and we take an entry somewhere here, then go straight up. This is what my plan is. Or the price breaks this key level over here, then we go back for a retest and go. These are my entries. Let me do them. Sorry. Let me, this and this will be my entries based on what I see the gold price is doing right now. I can see there is one trade with touch SL entry point. Which one are you talking about, Guri? The AUD/NZD? Let me see. Not yet. AUD CAD, no. AUD/USD, no. CFDs/GBPJPY, no. Which trade are you talking about? So for gold, let's see. I showed the charts. So this is my plan, like I explained to you, for gold. although price looks good right now, but we will wait for a bit, to be honest. And yeah, for everyone watching, please make sure to like the live stream and also let me know where you guys are from. Yeah, already update that in the group. So let me check something. And do you guys like the fact this MT4 window is floating like this? So, and should I remove it? Custom period, let me do 22. So let me get this. Okay, GBP cat, I guess, or just middle. Yeah, GBP cat. Yeah, I think you are. Let me see what was our entry in the group. GBP cat. So no, we entered right here, I believe. Let me see. We entered on the 17th of December at 13:15. Here we entered here, I believe. Let me see. We entered right here, 83. No, we didn't touch the stop loss yet. So this is, yeah, we were barely missing the entry at this point right here, but we didn't touch it. 82, yes. So if you zoom in, let me see. Yeah, we barely touch it. Yeah, we barely miss it by 1 pip, I believe. I think we had TP1 hit, then price never came back to our entry. So let's get back to gold and see if the price will come to this level here to take a trade. Let me see silver, because yeah, there were some requests yesterday about trading silver from you guys, so I will keep checking silver from time to time. And yeah, for oil too, if you are interested, yeah, I'm waiting for the price to give me an entry at these levels right here. Here, if it touches the EMA and do a confirmation, we will think about entering. I will also, yeah, I decided to open that Telegram channel that I talked about in the past of the prop firm trading. So I will create it and make it free for 2 weeks for the premium group. I will share the link with you guys, but yeah, just for your informations, there will be 3 to 4 trades per week. I love when you clear dust, no matter, and I like this one. Thank you, bro. And yeah, Guria, like I said, I decided to open that Telegram channel Hopefully we get some entries this week. We are still in Tuesday. Yeah, and we will either target 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, or 3-to-1, or we will have an open TP. Then we close manually after that. That depends on every trade that we take. Where is the music? It's unfortunate that we can't do good music on the live stream, because YouTube will mute the live stream when we do good music. That's why we have only this ambient music. Yeah, we will trade. Yeah, I will trade all the pairs, and the strategy, you will like it. Just, I will keep it like this. Yeah, I know. So some of them have the 40% consistency rules. That mean 40% of your profits need to be needs to be at one day. We can trim the trades. There will be so much that we can do. Yeah, it will be a swing trading, not intraday. Maybe sometimes the trades will get closed in the same day, but based on my experience, we will swing. I will do this experience with you guys for free, of course, and see what will happen. And please make sure to like and subscribe and join the Telegram channel, in the first link in the description. Let me clear. If you are requesting payout $1,000, there should be no trading day which exceed. What do you mean by that? And no, I don't think all the firms are doing this consistency rule. So there is some firms that are doing it, and there is some firms that not doing it. So let me get my other phone. I don't know where it is. Then don't buy an instant account, buy a two-phase account. Because I think the best one is the two-phase account, and instant account is just a way of making people rush things. Because like I say always, you need to learn to wait. So if you take the two-phase account, you will go slowly but steadily. And also the two-phase account are cheaper than the one phase. Also I think the maximum drawdown is bigger. You have news in 40 minutes. Let's see. So, and for the entries that we will do it, they will be something like this. These will be the entries that I will use on the prop firm. That's why I told you there will be way less trades in the week, and it will be free for everyone in premium to test things out. Then we will switch it to paid, of course. Let me clear out this so we can see the price clearly. Yeah, I think we opened the chart right here. So if we miss this entry, we will have more entries, of course. If we trade with same lot, you're searching. Yeah, of course, because every trade will have a different stop loss. And every pair, you need to know that, of course, every pair need a different lot, because not all the pairs have the same dollar amount per lot. You know what I mean? So for example, if you use 0.1 lot, that means you get 1 pip for every 0.1. It means you get $1 for every 0.1 lot. But for the other pairs like the GPY, for example, GBPJPY, EURUSD is less than that. And for the other pairs like GBPCHF is more than $1. So yeah, you need to make sure that not 1 pip equals $1 with while using 0.1 lot size. So you need to use a lot size calculator to know exactly which lot size to use. Let's see if we can get an entry on gold, although we have 37 minutes left for the news. Let's see. The NZD didn't touch the break-even point yet. USD looking good. CAD is GPY still at entry. And yeah, let me check. So why today and yesterday the chat and the live stream is too quiet? I don't understand. So last week we had many people chatting and viewing the live stream. Now it's pretty dead, I can see. I don't know why. And can you guys hear the music? Is it too loud? Or the volume is okay? I can't see no entries on all the pairs that we trade. USDJPY has rejected this level with a good candle, to be honest. So I believe no, we will not add another position because there is USD news. Yeah, gold, I think. Let me see. Okay. Still baking, Magdalena? Let me see. Silver is also... So let's wait for an entry on gold, because on all other pairs I can't see an entry, to be honest. And yeah, like waiting is the most important thing that you can do in front of the chart. Okay. And what do you think, everyone, about the live stream time? Is this time suits you, or should I do it earlier or later? What do you think? A birthday cake for an automation engineer, and I made an Arduino Nano out of Fondo. I don't understand Arduino Nano. Fondant. What do you mean? Fondant chocolat, of the chocolate fondant? Because I just had one in the breakfast. The fondant de chocolat. Thinking to join your premium channel again from the 1st of January and do on every trade, and use it for your personal account. You can use the Telegram copier, and it will automatically calculate your lot size based on your account balance. Just send me a message on Telegram. I will send you the Telegram copier that we use. I added that on the premium. I think it costs like $20 per month or something like that. Okay. So, and for Magdalena, are you already in premium? I believe so, yeah? I hope the price gets down to this level right here to give us an entry, to be honest. Because I still believe that gold price will continue going up, at least before the news. At least we can get 30 pips, then move the stop loss to the entry and make the trade risk free. One question: how it will be calculated? Should we need to place or set the lot size or what? For the Telegram copier, you set a fixed risk percent of your account balance or equity, or they offer a lot of things. Just send me a message. I will send you their link, and you can check it out even before buying, I believe. So I think 80% of premium members now use the Telegram copier. No, I'm not on premium. As for the live, for me it could be a little earlier, but you have to consider the majority. Yes. What do you mean about you have to consider the majority? Yeah, you can watch the live streams as long as you can. There is no difference between premium members and the other members. I'm just asking you to ask you about your results on premium. I thought you are in premium, but there is a difference. It's premium members receive all my trades, and for the live stream I go live 1 hour per day, but for trading I trade the whole day. So let's see, there is some volume on gold. Yeah, and the members in Australia and Singapore and Hong Kong, we have many members from that part of the world, say that I will need to do it a bit earlier, but I will make sure to keep everyone happy. And plus, this is my only time when I can do the live stream. I think today was a bit late. I should have made it half an hour earlier, but that's going on in the account. 17. These guys are approaching the entry point. CFDs is looking good. GBPJPY is looking good. EURUSD, CAD, AUD, USD, and EURUSD. I hope to catch the TP3 on the EURUSD. I think it's still going. Let me see. Let's hope that we get a good news. Okay. So I don't know if these news that we have in 25 minutes will be that violent or not, but we need to wait. Although gold didn't give us any entry, so but good entry was here, would have touched the TP1 and got to the entry. The second best entry was here, and we will be looking good. But you can see here that the price is rejecting this level. We need to keep watching. And make sure to keep the questions coming, everyone, so we don't get bored. Waiting for something to happen. So, and everyone, does this MT4 that I have right now is better than this one? Let me quickly, is better than this one right here to see the trades, to see everything. There is some push to the upside on gold, to be honest, but the stop loss will be huge. And we have, yeah, we have a level in front of us, so we wait. Let me see the other trades that we have. GBPJPY, GBPCAD, EURUSD, CFDs looking good also. This one is looking good. This one too, we didn't touch the break-even point. And yeah, let's go back to gold and wait for an entry. So we can see gold, it rejected this level right here. If you can see, there is a small level right here we need to keep watching. So let me see if we'll be safe here, at least for the TP1. My 4-month salary is running profit for day 1 day low. What do you mean? Have you got an entry? Aha. Yeah. But you can see clearly how I trade, yeah. So I think you were watching the live streams from the beginning. You saw this entry, you saw this one. This one was this morning. Yeah, it's possible, believe me. It's possible. Some days you can even make 100k, and don't forget that I have other accounts that I keep private. It's possible. You just need to believe in yourself and be disciplined. Yeah, I will not enter this trade because price can simply reject this one and go all the way down. Plus we have some news in 17 minutes. No, absolutely not. Trading is absolutely not a scam, and trading is very, very simple, and I will prove it to you once I open that second channel. I will prove to you that trading is very simple. You need to control yourself, that's it. Because this is the big part of winning, is have discipline. You must know when to fear, when to be greedy, when to stop trading, when to continue trading. Trading is the best thing that helps people understand themselves and understand their weaknesses. Some people have fear weakness, some people have greed, some people have anxiety, some people have ADHD. We are not perfect. We all have our weaknesses. And like I told you, if we trade that strategy that I showed you, yeah, we'll be having 3 to 4 trades per week. We will be trailing the stop loss. We will be chilled, to be honest. We'll not be trading a lot, not sitting in front of the chart a lot, especially for the Telegram channel. And yeah, I'm only doing this because I love sitting in front of the screen and trading. I'm not doing it. I'm doing it for money, but I want not 100% for money. I love doing this. But if you want, you can set alerts on your trading view or whatever platform you are using, and just get alerts when price reach your entry. You wait for confirmation, then execute, then add alerts for a stop loss, and if you use a TP, then go with your life. Like I said, I'm only doing this because I enjoy it. I can, for example, trade 2 hours per week and make doctor yearly salary. Yeah. Yeah, you can't. Yeah, you can't imagine the power of compounding. To be honest, even if you don't use prop firms and everything, even if you keep trading your account with proper risk management, with good trades, you can grow it a lot. And we have living proof. If you access the free telegram and go to our review group, you will see people doesn't even use prop firms and they are making a good living. You see how the price is, yeah, keep rejecting this level. Maybe we will break it in the news, or the price will shoot when straight down. I don't know. Yeah, this is the forecast. 12 minutes left. Let's see. 'And a question for you, Uri. Do you enjoy the shorts that I started to create? And what do you want to see for the next shorts? Yeah, I'm always saying the last minute of the 5 minute candle is the most important one. Now we see that the price broke this level. Let's see if it will stay like this or not. This is definitely not a breakout. So we are still in this range. So we wait more. Let's see, time. These were this morning. Yeah. Don't know why my trading view is lagging. Nine minutes left for the news. I don't know why I get excited when there are news, although I don't trade inside the news, but yeah, I love seeing price jump, and yeah, especially in the news. The price now is touching that 1 minute EMA, reacting to it like we saw here. Now, yeah, if you can see, what do you think? Let's take an entry here just for fun and experience the news. If we can, of course, maintain this level. What do you think, everyone? Let me wait for this candle to end. And yeah, I think I will take a trade just for fun, will not share it in premium. But for now, I don't like this candle. It seems that there is no push to the upside. Let's wait for the last minute. Yeah, right now. Last minute started now. Let's see if there is some push to the upside or not. There is honestly no push to the upside. Now we have some. If it closes above the EMA, we'll enter. Like I told you, just for fun, I will not be sharing this on premium. Yeah, it looks good. Let's enter and have some fun. So the entry is at 89, and let's see if we touch the stop loss. 89. This will be the take profit, and this will be the stop loss. This is just for fun, everyone. Please do not copy trade me. I'm doing this just for fun. 89, 82, 92. $82, 99. Let's see if we can have some fun. And time. Let's do time. For now, we are going to touch the stop loss, but like I told you, I did this just for fun. just to have, yeah, to show you guys what can happen in the news and the fact that you never trade the news. So TP1 is at 92. TP1, TP2 is at 99. And TP3 is at 09. I hope you didn't go in because, like I said, I just did this for fun. And yeah, this is mediocre entry, not a good entry at all. But yeah, I will, I want to experience the news adrenaline. We don't have a push to the upside yet, to be honest. Let's keep watching. Last minute of the 5-minute candle. Maybe we will touch the stop loss. Maybe we will hit TP1. I don't know. Last 30 seconds. We have the news in 1 minute. Less than 1 minute, I believe. Let's see if we will go out from the spread, if we will go out from the slippage. Yeah, this is a good experience for every one of you watching. Let's see, GBPJPY is approaching the TP. Gold started to move. I think we will touch the stop loss. Let's see. And like always, you stay relaxed and chill. There's some volume, I can see it. We will touch the stop loss, I believe, yeah, because I don't like this. Let's see. There is some push to the upside. And the last 1 minute of the 5-minute candle will be violent. Let's see. What about CAD/GPY? Yeah, we are approaching TP. For GBPJPY, we touched the TP1. Let me see. Yeah. And one advice for every one of you, yeah, even though never enter a trade like this in the middle of the candle, always wait for the candle, yeah, to be over. So because now the candle looks so good, you say the price will explode to the upwards, and then you get stopped out. Always wait for the candle to be over. Because this is the definition of FOMO, is entering a trade in the middle of the candle. It looks very good now, it looks very beautiful, it looks so beautiful, but you will never know. We are at the last minute of the 5-minute candle. Let's see. The last 30 seconds. Yeah, TP1 was hit, so I moved the stop loss to the entry at 89. So for the remaining two positions, so the stop loss is already at break even, if you can see it here. Yeah, if you can see it here. Let's see what will happen. I think we will touch the break even. Although the other trades looks good, I think. USDJPY looks good. This one also looks good. GBPJPY, we touch the TP1. I already moved the stop loss to the entry. EURUSD, still nothing. We touch the break-even point on gold. I think we still have an opportunity to enter the gold since the news are not that influencing. Let's see, maybe we will have a better entry now. So yeah, the other positions are out. This is good. Let's see if we can enter now a serious position. So let's see. I want the price to go to this level, to be honest. For now, yeah, let me see. So you can have FOMO and enter now, but yeah, I don't like this candle. We need to wait for a bit. Because I can see there is some push to the upside from the buyers, but we will need to wait for a better entry. So for Guri, are you in a trade on gold? We are approaching the last minute. I explicitly told you not to enter, bro. That was only for fun. Seems that the price can get past this level, this 2 wicks. Great, great. It was the right choice. I don't trade on MT5, to be honest. I only trade on MT4. But I saw videos and it looks awful, to be honest. What do you think about it? It became very hard even to enter your stop loss. So we can see here that after this push to the downward, we have this low, this higher low, the higher high, this higher low, this higher high, this higher low, this pretty higher high. So maybe this is a good pullback. We need to wait for this candle to be over and see if the price will continue going up. Although we have a level right here, but we still have lower lows. Yeah, I've always used MT4, and yeah, I like MT4 better than MT5, to be honest. I hope this update doesn't come to MT4. Let's see if we touch the TP on the trade that I've shared on the free Telegram. Not yet, I believe. Let's see. CFDJPY, yeah, we still have 3. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing the live streams. Because yeah, what do you think? Is there many people doing trading live streams like this? Because I didn't look up, to be honest. So let's check. Silver went straight up. If you can just follow the price, you can see here, yeah. What about oil? Oil have big spread. What about BTC? Nothing. Let's go back to gold and see if we can take a trade. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that there is many Indians, people from Pakistan, also Bangladesh, doing live streams, but I've never, yeah, watched them. I thought maybe because I'm here in Morocco, I see them. I didn't think that you can see them too in Canada. This candle looks good, to be honest. Let's see. Yeah, we have 38 seconds left. Let's see if our stop loss will be at least here under this wicks. And yeah, 28 seconds left. Please do not, yeah, think we'll enter based on the price action. So the entry is at 89. $44, 89, 44, 92, 44, 4509, 4482. Let's see. Oh, the entry was above 89. 92. 44, 82, 99. 4509. So yeah, the price was, yeah, let's get the TP levels. TP1 at 92. Let's see if we can get a good trade. This is TP3. let's see if we can get this trade to touch the TP, or we will be stopped out. That's why it's very important to respect the risk management, because from here, I'm Daxton, I'm promising you that we will never win all the trades. I joined one of them last year, one day, other live stream, 2 days I made good profits, and then third day my account got blowed, 7-8 entries on gold because they were streaking for straight 9 hours. Yeah, and I see that they get a lot of views, to be honest. I don't know how people are watching them, and if I can grow on YouTube live stream to their views and to their audience size and everything. Let's see if we can pull some people from Telegram. Let's see if we can win this trade or get stopped out. Yeah, I saw that 90% of people, more than 90%, doesn't report that they have 3 TPs. They should have 3 stop losses, and they should count 3 stop losses if they get stopped out. I don't know why they are not doing this, to be honest, because they are hurting themselves before hurting their audiences. So, and for everyone watching, please make sure to like the live stream and comment where you guys are watching from. And if you think this trade will go straight to the stop loss or we will touch TPs. Because I entered this trade based on the price action, we have here a low, a higher low, then a higher high, then a higher low, then a higher high, then a higher low. If we can maintain this higher low here, then we will have a healthy pullback for the price to go up. But for now, price isn't doing that, at least. You mean in Canada? So we will, we broke this higher low. I think the price went straight to the stop loss. Exactly. So we were stopped out right here. It's unfortunate, but it happens. This is trading. Let's wait and see if we can have a better trade. that we can recover this from. And always, please do not revenge trade, just trust the process. And yeah, I hope that I don't get viral in India, because yeah, my target audience is not in India, to be honest. Yeah, based on this momentum, we will need to wait. And you always need to stay patient. And yeah, you should know that stop loss is not a failure, is a way of protecting your account and protecting your capital. So we rejected this level right here, but based on this big fat candle, of course we will not enter. We need to wait for further confirmation that the price will reverse and continue going up. But if you can see here, after our entry, nothing is 100% yeah accurate in trading. You can do everything that your strategy is telling you, and you will be stopped out in minutes. That's why always risk management. Even if we close this candle right here, we will not enter, but because the price, like for example, when we have a big fat candle like this with the strong wick, price always come back to the tip of this wick here. So we will not enter, of course. We will wait. And please, for everyone watching, make sure to ask your questions, to like the live stream, and yeah, participate in the chat. You see, price is coming back. And hello Raja, how are you doing? Just yeah, joined the stream right now. And how is premium is going? Because yeah, I know we are having yeah, not good trade, good day today. We are in a loss for today, but yesterday was good, so we will continue, of course. And we will recover today's losses in no time, like we always do. That's why when you are confident in your strategy, you stay chill. You see, we touched the stop loss, and yeah, I don't feel nothing. We can even have a red week, and we always recover. You need to maintain your capital to stay in the game as long as you can. This is the trick, is staying in the game as long as you can. Because if you get your account blown, you will not stay in the game. You will need to redeposit, yeah. And this, we want to avoid this chain of redepositing again and again and again. Like I told you everyone earlier, yeah, if you see a big fat candle with a big wick, never enter after that, because the price will revisit this wick after that. It can revisit it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So a good entry, in my opinion, if you stick with your risk management, is getting, yeah, an entry right here. Even if you can see a big red candle, you re-enter here at the tip of this wick and let the trade plays out. This is another entry that you can have. But for now, we are a bit far, so we will need to wait. Even if you can see here a green candle, like always, and like I say it in 100 times per live stream, never enter in a trade and the candle is still open. You need to wait for the candle to close. You see, it was looking beautiful like a doji, and you say the price will explode, but you need to wait. The last 30 seconds of this candle, I think the price will revisit this area again. Let's see. And please make sure everyone to participate in the live chat. I honestly love chatting with you. Let's see our other trades. So, and if you can see, gold did nothing. We are still up. We just need to find a good entry and continue riding with it. Stop loss at entry, of course. This one, yeah, I didn't close this trade because it rejected this daily EMA. Because if you can see, you don't rely 100% on the daily EMA, because there is some pairs that don't respect the daily EMA at all. You see how, yeah, how many times it get through it. So that's why I didn't close this trade, because the GBP CAD doesn't respect the daily EMA. But there is pairs that respect the daily EMA, if you can see here on the GBPJPY. This is another lesson that I want to tell you. Yeah, the daily EMA is so strong, the 4-hour EMA is so strong, but the price needs to respect it. You need to see that the price respect the daily EMA. If the price is acting like this, you don't rely on it and you don't enter based on the daily EMA. GBPY TP hit, we'll update that in the group now. I also shared this one on the free group. First link in the description. So gold is yeah, like I told you. What do you think about an entry right here, everyone? Think we'll enter, and we can be stopped out. So yeah, don't copy trade me. Price moves so fast. So my entry is at 74. Let's see. 74. 77, 84, 87, yeah, 94. And the stop loss will be at 67. Sorry, made the typo on 67. So 77. Yeah, 77. And yeah, let's see if 77, yeah, 77. Where is the music? No, 74. The entry was at 74. Yeah, trading and live streaming is a bit hard, to be honest. So there is some volume here. Let's see if this level will hold or not. Let me see if I entered all 67, all my levels, 67, 84. It will 94. Yeah, we are in drawdown again. Let's see what will happen. 77. This is the TP1, and you always stay chill. And if it touches the stop loss, it touches the stop loss. You can't do anything about it. You just need to make sure that, like I say, you respect your risk management and don't overtrade. Not because we touched the stop loss earlier, you entered this trade with the higher lot size or higher risk. Yeah, maybe we'll touch the stop loss on this one, and yeah. Gold will still go down. Yeah. Let me update quickly the CAD-GPY trade. For now, we wait. You delete all of this and wait, because this level didn't hold out, this level didn't hold out. We, like you always know, we enter always on retest. So, and now I think gold will continue going down. Let's see if we can get a sell entry, because it can go down until we hit this EMA, which is in front of this level right here, or this level. Let's wait and see. But based on the price action, yeah, it seemed like, yeah, or it was just a liquidity grab. We need to wait for this candle to be over, because you see that we are reacting to this level, but we touched our stop loss. Maybe price will explode, maybe it will continue going down, then reverse. We wait. but you can see, yeah, me chilling. Yeah, although I think I'm down $10,000 per day, but yeah, no problem. Because I know tomorrow I will be making $20,000. But yeah, I think I will end this live stream now, and yeah, let's continue trading on the premium to see if we catch good trades. Thank you very much for attending this live stream, and yeah, let's meet tomorrow for a new one. Thank you so much.